Batay? Batay. Wala. Alano? Alarcon?
Present po.
Alabanzas? Apuyan? Austria?
Austria, present po.
Romeo?
Present po.
Present po sa
Cornejo?
Austria.
Cornejo? Cruzado? Bakit ito?
Present po, Cruzado.
Cruzado? Darong? De Leon?
Present po, De Leon.
Fortaleza?
Present po.
Garcia?
Present po.
Bunton? Gumiran?
Present po.
Walo? Lanuevo?
Present Lanuevo.
Legarde?
Legarde po, present.
Thunder?
Present po.
Lumakang?
Present po.
Sangkay? Mauna?
Present po, Mauna.
Mendaño?
Present po.
Munda?
Present po.
Nabasca?
Navasca, present.
Orlando? Palomeras?
Present po.
Panganiban?
Present po.
Casiliao?
Basilio po present.
Elias?
Elias present.
Ada? Rile?
Present po.
Romero?
Present po, sir.
San Gabriel? Zelda? Valencia?
Present, sir.
Sino po yung mga nalagpasan?
Present po, Mendaño, sir.
Mendaño. Sino pa?
Alano po, sir.
Alano? Who else? Sino pa? Okay. So before we have our short assessment, let me give you our schedule. Okay. So I'm going to post the schedule on the add photos. Okay. I'm going to post the schedule on the exam. Okay. So I guess you are already aware about the schedule, no? So the final exam schedule will start next week. So here's the schedule. Medyo malabo lang yung ano ba to? Anong font yan on Tuesday? Okay. TTHS. Ayun. Thursday po yung schedule natin, December 16. Okay. So let me schedule it here. Final exam. Okay. December 13. OS. So ang coverage po niyan, lahat. Okay, so there is no, as in computations. Kung may computations man doon, naka-multiple choice siya. Okay? Yan. Right? So that would be our schedule for the final exam. Paki-take note po yung calendar. Now, I am thinking of, sa tingin nyo, kasi I am about to post the next topic which is main memory management. Isasama po ba natin or we end up with deadlock? Ano sa tingin nyo? Kung isasama ko, i-upload ko yun, pero that is part of your exam and quiz number 2 next meeting. So you'll have your quiz number 2 on Saturday. Okay? So quiz number 2, Saturday. Quiz number 2. So this will be on Saturday, 11, December 11. Okay? So, ano yung coverage ng quiz number 2? Okay. So, coverage, last time we end up with processes, okay? Threads and concurrencies. So, for quiz number 2, this is multiple choice or identification type. Titingnan ko kung may computation. So, ang coverage po nito is yung ano yun, what is that? Concurrency, process synchronization, synchronization, tools and examples. Okay? Kasama yung deadlock. Okay? So this is not quiz number 2, this is quiz number 3 pala. Quiz number 3. Okay? So the coverage would be process synchronization, tools and examples, and deadlock.
Monday po
So-
yung December 13.
Sorry?
Yung final.
Shopee, ate, hindi ko naintindihan. Ano sabi mo?
Yung sa final exam po, December 13 po nakalagay.
Ano daw? December? Sorry, ate, anong sabi?
Sir, ganito po yung gusto niya sabihin. Yung una po mong sinabi is December 16, tapos yung naka-post po is December 13. Kasi po yung December 13 is Monday and December 16 po yung Wednesday ata.
Mali
tama-
yung thing ko
Yung
sa
date po
schedule.
nakalagay.
December 16, Thursday.
Ayan,
12.
yan po yung una niyong sabi, sir.
Ano mo sinabi ko? 13. So it should be
16 po,
13
sir.
is Monday. 16 to, sorry.
Thank you
Edit
po, sir.
post. This is 16. Okay, thank you. All right. Okay, so quiz number 3, December 11, that's Saturday. Okay, that's next week. Ang coverage po niyan, yung natitirang topic. Now, tinatanong ko kayo kasi I am about to ginagawa ko yung video. Ito, oh. Okay. So, process, main memory management. Nire-render ko siya. Now, I'll give you the option. Am I going to include this? Or we end up with deadlock?
Hanggang deadlock na lang po, sir.
Hanggang deadlock na lang. Okay. So, sige. So, hindi na ako magpo-post ng lecture. So, we'll end up with deadlock. Okay. Mamaya, magko-Q&A tayo regarding deadlock. Kasi may computations dito sa deadlock. Okay. Pero, the discussion was there. So, should you have questions, then we are going to answer that. Okay. So, next. Okay. So, meron pa po tayong mga naiwan na short assessment. Yung huling short assessment natin para ngayon is short assessment 5. Okay, so which is, saan yung SA05? Ayan, short assessment 5 is based on CPU scheduling. Okay, so meron pa tayong naiiwang short assessment na 3. Synchronization tools, examples, baka pag-isahin ko na lang to. Okay, maiksi lang naman yung mga yan. Baka tig-5 questions. So, pagsamahin ko, ano? Ayan. So, meron pa po tayong naiiwan na short assessments para sa synchronization tools, synchronization examples, and yung ating deadlock. So, if we are going to count this by topic, so meron pa tayong 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So, siguro, pag-iisahin ko yung synchronization tools and synchronization examples. So, isang short assessment lang yan. So, meron pa tayong natitirang 2, no? So, today, we are going to have the short assessment on CPU scheduling. So, kung naintindihan yung CPU scheduling, madali nyo siyang masasagot. So, the short assessment 5 is all multiple choice. Okay? Now, so I need to schedule. Okay, so Tuesday, Thursday. Kailangan natin ng 2 araw. Okay? So, dali let me do the scheduling. So, paki-check po yung ating schedule. So, on Tuesday, we'll have short assessment 6. Okay, so walang lecture pero magmi-meet tayo para doon sa short assessment 6. That is December 7. Okay, so i-schedule ko po. December 7. SA06. This is about synchronization. Okay. Synchronization. Synchronization. Okay. Tapos December 9. Okay, SA07. This is based on deadlock. So next week po, magkikita tayo ng December 7 and December 9 pero para lang doon sa short assessment. So i-enable ko na lang po yan. Okay, pero keep posted doon sa group. Okay, so these are the remaining activities that we have. So today we'll have short assessment 5. So Tuesday, short assessment 6. 7, this is the last one, deadlock. And then Saturday, you'll have quiz number 3. Okay, ang coverage, process synchronization, tools and examples, and deadlock. And then final exam on December 16. Okay, questions on our schedule? Questions po tungkol sa ating schedules? Wala? Okay. So let me have some summative discussion about deadlock, specifically the banker's algorithm. Okay, so here we go. So I hope napanood nyo na to, ano? Ayan. Okay, so one of the discussion here talks about safety algorithm. Okay, so sa deadlock, before we get deeper, ano ibig sabihin ng deadlock based dun sa napanood nyo? Kailan nagkakaroon ng deadlock yung computer? Or kailan nagkakaroon or kailan nangyayari yung deadlock sa computer nyo? Anyone? Kailan po nangyayari yung deadlock sa computer? Napanood nyo na ba yung mga lectures? Kasi kung hindi, good luck po sa inyo. Okay? So pag hindi kayo umabot sa passing mark, i-4 ko kayo or i-IP ka kayo, definitely hindi kayo babagsak. Pero pag nag-completion kayo, you will be going through the same thing. Okay? So, kaya panoorin nyo po, mas madali yung exam ng regular kesa sa exam ng completion. Ay, exam ng completion, baka tanungin ko kayo ng recitation, no? One-on-one. Kaya kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, panoorin nyo po. Okay, wag po tayong sobrang tamad. Okay, anyone? Ano ang pagkakaintindi nyo sa deadlock based on the video lecture posted?
Sir.
Go ahead.
Nangyayari yung deadlock, sir, kapag nagkakaroon ng bottleneck. Kapag yung dalawang data ng computer, nagsasabay po siya sa malit na access, and then hindi po makadaan yung dalawa kasi parang sumisikip yung daluyan po.
Sorry. Ulit.
Nagkakaroon ng siya, sir, ng bottleneck po. Bali, hindi kapag yung dalawang process po ng computer nagsasabay po sa iisang access, and then hanggang sa hindi na makadaan sila ng tuluyan yung mga.
All right. So are there any other ideas about deadlock? Take note that a process, it requests resources. Okay? Kung yung resources na nare-request mo ay hawak or ginagamit ng iba pang process, halimbawa, this is process 2. This is process 1. Okay? So, meron kang process 1, halimbawa Microsoft Word, nagre-request ng printer. Yung printer ginagamit ni process 2. Let's say this is PowerPoint. Okay? Tapos si process 2, nagre-request ng resource, halimbawa storage. Pero yung storage na yan, naka-allocate kay process 1. Now, that being the case, wala pong magbibigay, walang magre-release ng resource. Diyan pumapasok yung deadlock. Yung hinihingi mo, ginagamit ng iba. Yung nire-request mo, ginagamit ng iba. Now, based on our discussion on processes, okay, i-release lang ng process yung resource na ginagamit niya kapag tapos niya nang gamitin. Okay? So, kung hindi pa niya tapos gamitin, okay, kung hindi pa tapos gamitin, ibig sabihin, hindi niya i-release. Okay? So, doon pumapasok yung deadlock. So, yung nire-request mo, ginagamit ng iba, so anong gagawin mo? Mag-aantay ka. Hanggang kailan ka mag-aantay? Hanggat hindi nire-release nung gumagamit, mag-aantay ka. Kung sobrang tagal mo na nag-aantay, ang tawag doon na starvation. Okay? Pero kung nag-aantay ka na hindi natatapos, okay, wala ka nang inaantay, that is a deadlock. So basically, yung deadlock, nangyayari yan kapag yung computer mo naghang at hindi naka-recover. Okay? So that is deadlock. Naghang yung computer mo at hindi naka-recover, totally naghang na, not responding. Because sometimes, naghang yung computer mo, pero nakaka-recover. Ang tawag doon, starvation. Okay? So, ang tawag po doon, starvation. Yung starvation is sobrang tagal na pag-aantay. Yung deadlock, wala ka nang inaantay. Kaya yung resources na nare-request mo, hindi ma-grant sa'yo ni OS. So, therefore, hang yung system. That is a deadlock. Okay? Hindi, wala po yan doon sa sinasabi nyo, yung daanan sumisikip, walang ganon. Okay? Deadlock happens when a process requests a resource na hindi mo maibigay. Halimbawa, ikaw, no, humingi ka ng pera sa nanay mo kasi aalis ka. So pag hindi ka binigyan, hindi ka makakaalis. That is an example of deadlock. Kasi yung resource na kailangan mo, hindi mo nakuha. Alright? That's as simple as that. Okay. Now, what is a safety algorithm? So, safety algorithm is basically algorithm. This is basically has something to do with a deadlock. So, when you say safety algorithm, if a process is requesting a resource, like this one, process 1 is requesting a resource, kapag yung resource na yan walang gumagamit, we could say that that is in a safe state. Okay? Kapag yung resource walang gumagamit at ni-request mo, that is in a safe state. Kapag yung resource ni-request mo at may gumagamit, okay, hindi yung tinatawag na safe state. Ang tawag doon, unsafe state. Okay? Now, to put it into a context, kapag ikaw nag-deposit ng 1,000 pesos sa bangko, magkano ang mawi-withdraw mo? Nag-deposit ka ng 1,000, magkano ang pwede mong ma-withdraw? Mr. Alano,
1,000 po.
1,000. Pwede ka bang mag-withdraw ng lower than 1,000?
Yes po.
Pwede ka bang mag-withdraw ng 1,001?
Hindi po, sir.
Hindi. Okay. Saan pumapasok yung safety algorithm doon? Okay? Si bankers, okay, yung teller doon, ang tawag natin doon banker, si banker, he has to ensure na safe yung request mo. Kapag yung client nag-request ng 1,000, okay, i-determine ni banker kung safe yung request mo. Okay? So how do we determine? The request should be less than or equals to the available funds. Kaya kung makikita nyo dun sa deadlock discussion, okay, so hindi ko na i-elaborate unless may question kayo. Okay, kasi mukhang hindi nyo pinapanood yung mga video lecture. So I'm going to give you, maybe I'm going to include it on the exam, no? Parang CPU scheduling. Para mapuwersa kayong panoorin yung deadlock discussion. Okay. So as what I'm saying, si banker, he has to ensure the safety of the request. If the request is less than or equals to the available resources, it is safe and therefore I can grant the withdrawal. Okay? Pero kung nag-withdraw siya ng 1,001 at ang available funds niya ay 1,000, that is not in safe state. Wala yun sa safe state. Okay? So therefore, ang gagawin ko, i-decline ko yung request niya. Okay? So that's safety algorithm. Okay. So ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Okay? So yung data structures ng banker's algorithm, so you've got the available resources. Okay? And also yung maximum, dinedetermine po yan ng CPU kung ilan yung maximum. The maximum allocation or the maximum possible requests is less than or equals to the available resources. Hindi ka po pwedeng mag-allocate ng mas mataas doon sa available. Okay? Yung allocation naman, dapat yan mas mababa, okay, mas mababa doon sa maximum. Hindi po pwedeng lumagpas yan sa maximum. Kaya nga maximum, may ceiling. Ilan yung kailangan? Yung kailangan mo should be less than the maximum. Okay? Now, nandito po yung algorithm na yan. Okay? Dadaanan ko lang. Okay? So, intindihin nyo to kasi lalabas to sa quiz nyo. Sasamahan ko siya ng ganito. Okay. Now, in this example, meron tayong 5 processes. P0 to P4. Okay? Take a look at the allocation. The allocation should be less than the maximum. Okay? The allocation should be less than the maximum. The maximum should be less than the available instances. So there are 3 instances here, 10, 5, and 7. 10 sa A, kung mapapansin nyo, ang maximum na po pwede na instance sa A ay 10. So it's less than 10. Ang maximum dito is 9. Okay? Sa B, 5. Maximum 5, wala po dyan na lalagpas sa 5. At sa C, maximum 7. So, ayan po yun. Okay? Now, so, ilan yung available? Now, para makita natin yung available, so we have to total the allocation. Okay, so that's in the video. I-total nyo yan. 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 7. Ayan. So, it was well explained on the video. Okay? So, take note. 10 yon, ang allocation natin ay 7, so may natitirang 3 sa A. Diba? 5 yan, 2 yon, ang natitira nating allocation sa B, ang natitira nating available sa B ay 3. Tapos sa C, 7 yon. Pag tinotal mo to, that is 5, may natitirang 2. Okay? So therefore, after this allocation, ang natitira is 332. Okay? Saan nanggaling yung 332? 10 minus 7, 5 minus 2, 7 minus 5, ayan po yun. Okay? Pakinggan nyo yung video, panoorin nyo, maiintindihan nyo kung saan at paano nakuha yan. Okay? So, ayan po yun. Now, doon sa mga nakapanood na ng video, are there any questions? May questions po dito. Questions? So kasama ang Banker's algorithm sa quiz number 3. Isasama ko siya. So dapat tama yung mga makukuha nyo mga values dyan. Parang sa CPU scheduling lang yan. Okay? Panoorin nyo po yung video na yan. Deadlock part 3. Kung paano nakuha yung mga values na yan. So hindi man Tagalog yung ginamit na pang-explain dyan, I guess may intindihan nyo yan. Okay? Now, kailan nyo sinasabi na safe state? Okay. When you say safe state, kapag lahat ng processes, P1, P2, P3, P4, at saka yung P0, nag-execute. Okay? Kapag sila nag-execute, masasabi natin na safe state sila. Okay? Kapag gumalaw yung process mo, may nakapag-execute, safe state. Pero kung isang process dyan hindi makakapag-execute, ang tawag doon, unsafe. Kaya kanina, doon sa introduction natin, pinag-aralan natin yung safety algorithm. Okay? Para kang nagwi-withdraw ng 1,001, ang dineposit mo lang o ang laman lang na account mo ay 1,000. Unsafe yun. Okay? So, ayan po yung sinasabi natin sa Banker's algorithm. Okay? So, it was well explained on the video. Now, should you have questions, you could ask it now. If none, we are going to proceed with the short assessment 5. Questions? Siya nga pala, makikita nyo po yung performance nyo sa Moodle. Pakicheck po yung class record. Lahat po ng scores nandiyan dyan. Okay? So yung class record ko mismo ang makikita nyo dyan. Yung scores nyo sa short assessment, yung scores nyo sa seatwork, yung score nyo sa quiz, makikita nyo po yan dyan. And yung magiging score nyo sa final exam, dyan nyo rin makikita. Okay? So i-check nyo po para hindi tayo nagugulantang sa grade. Okay, questions? Okay,
Wala
so
po ata, sir.
okay, wala yata magtatanong. Sige. So please log into the Moodle. I am going to enable your short assessment 5. Okay. Short assessment 5, makikita nyo po siya sa CPU scheduling. So punta po kayo doon sa CPU scheduling na tab. Let me enable short assessment 5. I'm going to give you 15 minutes para naman tumaas-taas yung mga scores nyo. Edit settings. Timing. I'm going to start it at 12:40. Okay, it is enabled until 1 p.m. Pero you could take the exam only for 15 minutes. So after po ng short assessment, check nyo yung scores nyo. Afterwards, pwede na. See you on Tuesday. Nakikita nyo na po ba? Paki-refresh po yung inyong mga browsers. You should be seeing now SA05. Kita nyo na guys?
Meron na po, sir.
Okay, sige po. Good luck.